What is up and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my hairstyle for YouTube. It's super easy and it makes my sad baby flat hair, thin hair look actually somewhat decent. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. If you guys like today's video, thumbs up, subscribe, and let's go ahead and get started with the video. All right guys, so we're gonna go ahead and part our hair in the middle here, and then I'm gonna go in with Prep Rally by Dry Bar. This is actually something that I use right after I get out of the shower. Protects your hair from heat. It adds a little bit of biotin to your life, as well as it is a detangler, and that's what I normally use it for. Alright, so the next product I'm going to be using is hairspray. You don't have to use this if you have thick textured hair. I don't. My hair is baby soft, you guys. Like seriously, even with all the bleach that I've done to my hair, it is still baby soft. So I go in with my mom's favorite hairspray. This is the Elnat extra strong unscented one. It is in the greenish blue color, and I just go ahead and spray that all over my hair before I start the other process. But I just do a light coating. I don't do crazy, or I don't go crazy with the hairspray. I just go ahead and put a light coating of it all over my hair. Alright guys, so here is the star of the show. This is the Duvolle Desire Series curling wand. I got the smaller version, but there is a larger barrel as well. I like a medium-sized barrel for this particular hairstyle because it curls really well. And let me tell you, this curling wand curls a little too well. I was not used to it, but it is amazing. Honestly, this is going to look so great with other hairstyles that I'm thinking about doing, especially for my new kind of style that I'm going for, which I will talk about in a different video. But I am so obsessed with this, and thank you Duvolle for providing me with this wand. I am working with them for this video, and this was provided to me for free, but I was not paid to talk about it or anything like that. I just really want to share about this product, and I do have a promotion code for you guys. If you decide to purchase this, you will get it for $28.50 if you use my code Klochkov70. Again, $28.50, and you just need to use the code Klochkov70 at checkout. I will leave the link for this down below, but I do want to let you know a little bit about this wand while I am doing my hair. But really quickly, I do want to tell you how I'm doing my hair. So I am taking medium to small strands, which I think next time I will take bigger strands, and I am curling away from my face, and then I'm curling in front of my face, like bringing it forward and bringing it backwards. And that is what gives my hair the body that it gives, because honestly, if I didn't do it this way, it'd be a little bit more flat and it wouldn't look as tousled as I would like. So that's what I'm doing all through my hair. I am taking like medium size sections away from my face, as well as medium sized sections in front of my face. So that's kind of what I'm doing here. And I'm going to talk a little bit about the wand really quickly if you want to know more information. So this is a state-of-the-art tourmaline, and it fights frizz and static. It has infrared hit technology, deeply penetrating and distributing heat, reduces heat damage as well, which is great, especially since I have bleached hair. The less heat damage, the better. Tools maintain an even temperature throughout the styling process. Ergonomic grip makes styling easy and comfortable. Clamp-free wand keeps hair healthier and more natural looking. And it has a 2.5/8 foot tangle-free cord with cord wrap that offers convenience and organization. And again, I actually keep it in the box. I just find it to be better organization that way. And it also comes with a glove, by the way. I totally didn't even say this in the voiceover, but it does come with a glove. I don't usually use the glove when I curl my hair with my other curling wands, so I am happy to do it the same this way as well. And again, I didn't burn myself, but if you are not an expert with the curling wand, I definitely suggest using the glove. All right, so as you can see, my hair is so curly. I was honestly not expecting it to be this curly, because I don't actually know what I was expecting from this wand. This was my very first time using it. That's why you see my face super excited, because my other one that I use. I think it's lost its edge or something because these curls are beautiful and you can make so many different romantic looks with this, especially this tousled beach hair look that I'm doing for you today. It is perfect for that beach hair look as well as gorgeous, elegant, beautiful romantic looks that I'll be doing in the future because my new style is kind of changing. But oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. So what I do now is I go through it and I go through my hair with my fingers pretty rigorously because I want my curls not to be as like put together. I want them to really be separate and look like I just came out of ocean water. So that's what I'm doing here, girl. Okay, so now I'm going in with some items that I actually just bought from Walgreens recently just for this particular hairstyle. I bought the Wave Maker by Cake, and by the way, I do not recommend using these products if you're out in nature because they seriously smell like sweets. But yeah, this is the Wave Maker. This is just a beach spray. It is recommended to use a beach spray when you are doing this look, so that's why I bought it. I think it was like $8.99 at Walgreens, and it's good. It keeps your hair curly and pretty and nice. Next, I'm using another item from Cake, and this is just their gloss, their hair gloss, just to keep my hair a little bit shiny after all the roughness with all the other sprays. This is just a top off. You really don't need this, but I like to because I always like to put oil towards the ends of my hair just because, again, my hair is bleached, so I just want to make sure I'm protecting it as much as I can. So now I'm just topping off with a little bit of more hairspray, and that's honestly the entire video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and to see the final product. Again, if you guys are interested in trying the Duvolle hair curling iron, or if you guys are interested in trying any of the other items mentioned in this video, I will leave them all down below. Some of them will be Amazon affiliate links, so definitely click through those if you are interested in purchasing. That'll help me out a little bit as well. But I also have external links and things like that, so definitely check out the bottom bar if you are interested in any of these products. But thank you guys so much for watching.